In this video, I will show you how to connect Telegram to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and send actionable insights to your team. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and choose Telegram from the available platforms. To connect Telegram, you need a bot token from BotFather. Follow the setup guide on the right. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. Click Start to begin. Send the /newbot command to create a new bot. Give it a name and choose a username ending in bot. Once the bot is created, BotFather gives you an API token. Copy it. Back in InsightfulPipe, paste the bot token, set permissions to read plus write, and click Test and Connect. The Telegram connection is saved. Now copy the Telegram MCP server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the Telegram MCP URL and click Add. The Telegram connector is now added to Claude. Let's also add the Ads Libraries MCP to analyze competitor ads. Add a second custom connector for Ads Libraries with its MCP URL. Both connectors are now connected. Ads Libraries lets you search competitor ads from Meta and Google without any account setup. Now let's use them together. Write a prompt asking Claude to analyze competitor ads from the Ads Library for HubSpot, MailChimp, and Salesforce. The prompt also asks Claude to send the summary and recommendations to your Telegram channel. Claude searches all three competitors on both Meta and Google ads in parallel, then pulls detailed ad creatives and data. Once the data is collected, Claude sends the full report to your Telegram channel. Here it is, a competitor ad intelligence report. The report covers each competitor's ad strategy, messaging themes, and key angles across Meta and Google ads. It also includes actionable recommendations for your brand, from ad creative strategies to market localization. That's Claude connected to your Telegram channel using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.